Toast.
Yum. Oops, forgot the money. Usual, please.
Sure.
Yum. I have to go to the bathroom. Gotta go. No blood?
Nope.
Darn it. Haha. Teach her. Oh wait. Lady, it's clogged. I gotta go. Haha.
Hey, what? What did you do? Why? Thank you for whiskers. Oh, hello. Hazelnuts? That way to your room.
Luxury. A TV.